Hello, we're at disciplinary actions, which I hope none of you have to deal with this, but we are studying for an exam. Salesperson and brokers will have 4 test questions on this. And for disciplinary actions, first of all, I wanted to read to you some examples from the Iowa Code that would cause you to have a hearing against you if someone were to complain or you were to be found guilty. Fraud in procuring your license, making false statements on a license, professional incompetency, knowingly making misleading, deceptive, or untrue representations about your profession, habitual intoxication and addiction to the use of drugs, conviction of an offense, fraud in representation to your skill or ability, using untruthful or improper statements, repeated violations, and non-compliance with trust accounts and non-compliance with insurance requirements. You must carry errors and omissions insurance all the time. Okay. Here's some other things that pop up. Acting for more than one party without their knowledge. So this would be undisclosed dual agency. Accepting a commission or valuable consideration outside of the transaction, or paying a referral fee to someone unlicensed. So you can't say to your brother, I'll give you a 25% referral fee if you bring me a buyer. They've got to be licensed. Now, if you are found to be guilty of those, and a couple of other things that might pop up is default on student loans or child support. That affects a professional license very often. But if you are found to be guilty, the real estate commission is going to need to do a hearing. And in order to do that hearing, they will give you 20 days notice. So one law that's out there says you must update your home address anytime you move within 5 days. Let the commission know of your updated address. So don't move and not let the real estate commission know. And here's why. Because if they send you a notice for a hearing and your address isn't up to date, you cannot say, oh, sorry, I didn't get it. I don't live there anymore. That's not going to be an excuse. It's going to be another reason to give you a violation, actually. So if they are going to do a hearing, they must give you 10 days notice by certified mail. And if you cannot show up for the hearing, guess what? They move on without you. They go forth and you just won't be in attendance to represent yourself. You are allowed 3 violations in 3 years before you lose your license. And they are allowed to charge you up to $2,500 civil penalties per violation. So 3 violations in 3 years, and each violation could carry a civil penalty up to $2,500 per violation. Again, I hope this helps, and good luck with the exam.